Hey everyone, what's up? Today we are talking about the impressions you're making even when you're not speaking. You know, when you're rolling your eyes, you're shrugging your shoulders, you're maybe even crossing your arms sometimes. All of that is still speaking volumes even if you're not saying anything verbally. So make sure that you stay tuned because this is so key and so important and plays a huge role in your reputation and how other people are perceiving you. So let's get to it. Hey guys, it's Candace Saunders, and I'm going to share with you how to become a happy professional. I'm going to let you in on my tricks of the trade when it comes to career, beauty, fashion, health, and lifestyle to help you create a professional life that you love. I've interned at the White House under the Obama administration, networked with Fortune 500 executives, and have even written a book about it all. What I've learned along my journey, I want to share with you. In this series, I'm going to be opening up my Happy Professional book and sharing with you the unscripted version of what you need to do to become a happy professional. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss an episode. Welcome back to the Happy Professional channel. Today we are talking about being seen and not heard. I'm going to go ahead and start us off with a quote, and you all know I love quotes. So it says, how we interpret one behavior can affect our interpretations of other behaviors, which is author unknown. And that is so key. A lot of times we are doing things without even thinking about it. Or maybe we know we're shrugging our shoulders. Maybe we know we're rolling our eyes or crossing our arms or moving in such a way that we want to portray that we're excited or we're portraying that we're upset. So all of that plays a huge key role in body language and nonverbal. So what is a nonverbal? The meaning of nonverbal is almost how it sounds, which is communicating without the use of words. Nonverbals are shown through body language. It is the movement of your body, your eye contact, and your posture, and it plays a role how people perceive you. Today, we are going to get into 3 specific nonverbals that I encourage you to focus on, and when you learn to master them, it will tremendously help to build your character, your reputation, and how others perceive you. All right, now into the 3 specific nonverbals that we're going to focus on today. First one is facial expression, the second one is handshakes, and the third one is posture. So the first one is facial expression. When you're talking to someone, it is natural for them to pay attention to your facial expression. The way you look at others when you're speaking speaks volumes. It's easy to see if you appear interested when you are communicating. And then there's 2 main ways to show that you're interested in speaking, which is through eye contact and smiling. So the first one is eye contact. When you are speaking, it is so important that you are making eye contact with a person. Not in a way that you're like staring them down, but in a friendly way. So direct eye contact is an excellent way to show that you're both interested and engaged in the conversation. The next thing is to practice smiling. Through smiling, a smile can honestly go such a long way. What I encourage you to do to help you practice smiling is to have conversations with yourself in the mirror. I know it might sound weird, but seriously, have a conversation with yourself in the mirror and practice smiling as you're speaking. You will be surprised how much of a difference it will make. I encourage you to try out this little experiment. Grab a close friend, a family member, somebody you know on the phone. I want you to have a conversation with someone, and then I want you to ask them to talk to you once where they are not smiling, and then the second time is when they are smiling. And I promise you, when you do this, you will be able to tell the difference. This is so key, especially if you're doing lots of phone interviews, that you practice smiling on the phone, because your employer will be able, or your future employer will be able to hear you smiling through the phone, because when you smile as you're speaking, you bring out and you give off this like positive vibe and energy just through your voice, because it sounds uplifting and positive and not like down and negative. The second way is through handshakes. Handshakes are so fundamental. You want to make sure that you're able to do them with excellence. It's really important with handshakes in a professional setting. When you're doing handshakes, there's 3 things that I want you to focus on. 1 is confidence, 2 is eye contact, and 3 is execution. So with the first part, confidence. The best way to exude confidence is by having a firm handshake when you're meeting someone. Of course, do not have a death grip on somebody's hand. I don't know about you, but I've definitely shaken some people's hands where my hand is like literally hurting so bad after I shook their hand. And you don't want to ever shake someone's hand so hard that it's like too tight, but I do encourage you to have a firm handshake. And there's some people who might say, oh, I think your handshake's too firm, but at the end of the day, I encourage you to have a handshake that shows confidence. Not too soft, not too light of a grip, but just firm enough to show that you mean business, you're confident, and you're ready. Practice handshakes with a friend so they can let you know, is your handshake too firm? Should it be lighter? Should it be heavier? Allow yourself to practice with others so you understand and know how firm is your handshake. Number 2, eye contact. When you reach out your hand to shake someone else's, make sure that you're looking them directly in the eye. This helps to show confidence because you are maintaining eye contact and you're not looking around timidly. Number 3 is execution. Now that you're aware that you should be confident and maintain eye contact, the last part is to execute on all of these steps. Combine each step together when you're meeting someone, and I highly encourage you to practice with a friend or a family member so when the opportunity arises and you're meeting someone in a professional setting, that you can extend your hand out firmly, confidently, and give a great handshake. The last part is posture. Good posture is not only good for your back, but it also helps you to exude confidence. There are 2 things that I want you to focus on when it comes to posture. 1 is during an interview, and the second one is at networking events. During an interview, when you're greeting the interviewer, make sure that you have good posture. When you do your handshakes, make sure that you're maintaining eye contact with the person, and during the interview, make sure that you're sitting up straight, you're not slouched over, you're not like hunchback, you're not slouched down, you're sitting up straight and you're able to exude confidence, and it also helps you to sound more confident when you're sitting straight. And the second one is networking and career fairs. During a networking and a career fair, more than likely you're doing a lot of walking. You know, as a result, since you're doing a lot of walking, you want to make sure that you're carrying yourself with confidence because people can see that and notice that. The next time you're at a career fair or at an interview, keep your posture in mind because people do notice. If you keep these things in mind, eye contact, smiling, and posture, I guarantee you'll be well on your way to standing out and becoming a happy professional. I hope you enjoyed learning these tips and share them with someone else, especially someone who's trying to land an internship or a full-time opportunity. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love if you do that. I hope you have an amazing week and know that you can do anything that you put your mind to, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye!